Water's like a renewable source that it's always there and it needs to be clean.
Managing water, wastewater, and biosolids, it's not going away. It's becoming more and more important.
I think Centrisa's CNP gives our employees a bigger problem to solve. Being in an environment that is safer and cleaner is very important for me and, even for future generations. I want my son to be part of a safer environment, so I think we are actually able to do that.
We begin a new design by looking at what is going to make the best piece of equipment out there. What is going to make it more robust, efficient, and effective for the world?
It's all about innovation, thinking ahead, improving constantly all the processes and performance of the machine.
We push quality, technology beyond the expectation what other people will stop doing, where we continue pushing to have the best equipment, the highest quality, the best materials for the given industries.
It's our way of thinking, our way of making things better and constant improvements.
The drive for this innovation and respect for continuous learning is really what puts this company on top.
It's a smaller organization, and so what that allows us to do as a company is really give people an opportunity to get out in front and become leaders.
We all support each other. We all support efforts to make a better product and to make ourselves a better company and succeed in the industry.
I'll reach out to George Coopers and he'll tell me what this drawing in German actually means. So just understanding the jargon and the German can help me lay out the machine.
There's a passion in this company for what we do, what we make, what we create, the problems that we solve. It's just a company that is innovative and creative and a really great place to work.